C6, Unit 2, Fire Prevention, Part 3. Types of combustion. 1. Slow or incipient combustion. 2. Rapid or active combustion. 3. Deflagration. 4. Explosion. Slow or incipient combustion. It is the type of combustion in which considerable amount of heat and light are emitted or feeble. It will indicate a slow rate of combustion. 2. Rapid or active combustion. It is the type of combustion in which considerable amount of heat and light is emitted within a short time. Speed of combustion is comparatively high. 3. Deflagration. Combustion takes place at considerable rapidity. The amount of heat and light evolved is very high within the shortest span of time. 4. Explosion. Heat and light, a loud sound is also released, creating sudden increase in pressure and temperature. Flammability ranges. It is the concentration or the percentage of flammable vapor in air which will support self-propagation of flame. All flammable liquids and gases have an upper and lower flammability limit. Above the upper limit and below the lower limit, the mixture will not support propagation of flame. Lower flammability limit, LFL. Upper flammability limit, UFL. Lower flammability limit, LFL. It is the lowest concentration of fuel in air that will just support a self-propagating flame. If the concentration becomes slightly lower than this value, it cannot support the propagation of flame. Upper flammability limit, UFL. It is the highest concentration of fuel in air that will just support a self-propagating flame. If the concentration is slightly above this value, the flame will not be supported. If the concentration is slightly less than this value, the flame will be supported. Classification of types of fire. Class A. Ordinary combustible materials. Material: wood, paper, cloth, rubber. Example: furniture fire, paper fire. Best extinguisher: water, foam, dry powder. 2. Class B. Flammable liquids. Materials: petrol, diesel, oil, paint, alcohol. Example: fuel spill fire. Best extinguisher: foam, CO2, dry powder. Class C. Flammable gases. Material: LPG, propane, methane, acetylene. Example: gas leak fire. Best extinguisher: dry powder. 4. Class D. Combustible metals. Material: magnesium, sodium, potassium, aluminum powder. Example: metal factory fire. Best extinguisher: special dry powder. Class K. Kitchen fires. Material: cooking oils, vegetable oil. Example: cooking oil catching fire in pan. Best extinguisher: wet chemical extinguisher. Manual firefighting. Hand appliances, such as buckets for water or sand, or fire-resisting blankets for smothering fires, etc. Types of extinguisher. Water-type soda acid extinguisher. CO2 fire extinguisher. Foam-type fire extinguisher. Dry chemical powder. Bromochlorodifluoromethane. Automatic fire control. Automatic fire control means system that detect and control or extinguish a fire automatically without human intervention. Automatic sprinkler system. Fire suppression system that detects heat from a fire and release water automatically to control or extinguish it. It is used in residential, commercial, industrial, minimize fire damage. Principle of operation of automatic sprinkler. Sprinkler head detects heat. Heat breaks glass bulb fusible link. Only that sprinkler opens. Water sprays over fire through deflector. Fire is cooled and controlled. Water flow activates alarm. Questions. 1. Define fire load. 2. Define fire resistance. 3. Explain susceptibility to burn. 4. Explain the principles of fire prevention. 5. Write a brief note on common hazards and their prevention. 6. Write a short note on combustion. 7. What are the types of combustion? 8. Explain the flammability ranges. 9. Write the classification of types of fire. 11. What is automatic fire control? 11. What is automatic sprinkler?